Hey, what's up my good people? Today I'm going to show you the fuse box location on the Ford Explorer. This is the 4WD, the limited version. This vehicle comes with the two fuse box location. There is actually one fuse box that is super hidden. It's kind of difficult to find it, but I'll show you where and how you can get to it on this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. The first fuse box location we're going to be on the engine compartment right here next to the battery. And you're going to find this box that is sitting right on top of the driver's side wheel. When you pop that black box, boom, these are the all the fuses and the relays located inside the engine compartment. On the back of the cover, you're just going to see the diagram is just numbers. That's why I have this screen rolling here, because it's going to show you each number, which fuse it is. Like for example, 45 5-amp fuse run sensor and something like that. If this is helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think on the comment section. Make sure you check also on the description. I'm going to attach a link where you can find more details on the fuse amperage and which fuse you're looking for. Check that link on the description. Also, the second fuse box location is going to be inside the cab, right here on the driver's side, just below the power steering. And this is the one I was telling you, you have to remove this cover that is below the power steering. But if you don't want to remove the cover like me, you can lay down on the carpet and then you face up, because that small fuse set is way down below the pedals, and then you look up and you're going to find it somewhere here. Let me show you. Right there, that box there, you're gonna see it on the back of it has different numbers. And all you need is pop that cover out. Got two tabs on each side. If you can pop those one out like that, you find the fuse set right there. And this mostly is for the interior features. The fuses are going to be in here. And again, on the back of the cover, you're not gonna see anything, but on top of the cover you're going to find inside the cover there is the fuse remover tool, and then on the back of the cover is just going to be the diagram, only the numbers. Again, compare those numbers with this screen right here. This is exactly the same picture with what you see, the diagram. And when you see these numbers, compare which number of the fuse. You see fuse amperage, like number 20 is the LOX 20 amp fuse. And that's it, guys. Those are the two fuse box location on Ford Explorer. This is going to cover 2011 all the way to 2015. My name is Jeff Cowboy. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned, subscribe, more video be coming up soon. See you on the next one.